Where's the topic of your paragraph? Okay, you don't have any topic. Now read it.
मैम स्क्रीन शो हो रही है आपको?
स्क्रीन बिल्कुल आपकी शो हुई है. कश्मीर is a beautiful place that you.
जी. Kashmir is between India and Pakistan, which is located in the northern valley of Great Himalaya and Pir Panjal Mountain. This is the place which is known as paradise on earth. Beauty of Kashmir never fails to attract tourists from all over the world. My desire to visit Kashmir due to its unspoiled natural beauty. Kashmir is surrounded with high mountains, snowy peaks, chilling springs, unspoiled forests that adds the charming of Kashmir and the beauty of Kashmir with the sound of rushing water, aromas of pine tree, the vibrancy of saffron, rise of azan. Kashmir surprises everyone. Kashmir is going as a favorite holiday spot. It is of the favorite destination of tourists.
It's one of the favorite destinations of tourists. Okay, now Kashmir is a very beautiful place between India and Pakistan, which is located in the northern valley of Great Himalayas and Pir. Okay, um, it's okay that you are providing us information about description. Now, uh, I'm sharing the screen of the 4 points. Okay, let me know that where is this point? Is this screen visible to you? Where I have the four
Yes.
basics of good description. Okay. Now that
Yes.
the third point is that your details, your examples that are supporting your man impression should include the details that should appeal to the five senses. Five senses: sense of hearing, sense of touch, and sense of. Okay, now share your screen. And what now you have to tell me that do you think that is there any sensory information or sensory appeal to the reader in your paragraph? वर्ड्स की सिलेक्शन बहुत अच्छी है. आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं उसकी ब्यूटी को, बट अभी भी डिस्क्रिप्शन का. Yes, Ariba, it's your narrative paragraph. Now read this narrative paragraph.
I wake up in the morning and smell what I absolutely love pancakes.
Your voice
The
is
ar-
not clear. Your voice is not clear.
I wake up in the morning and smell what I absolutely love pancakes. The aroma of them cooking on the stove reaches my nose and wake me up instantly. I make my way into the kitchen and can hear my mother putting them into the air and singing her favorite song. Immediately I see the golden amount of pancakes on the counter.
Okay, now
My
I'm
mother
reading. I'm reading. Actually, your voice is not clear, so I'm reading it. I woke up in the morning. I woke up. It should be woke up. I woke up in the morning and smelled what I absolutely love, pancakes. Uh, okay. The aroma of them cooking on the stove reaches to my nose and wakes me up instantaneously. I make my way into the kitchen and can hear my singing flipping them and can hear my mother flipping them into the air and singing her favorite song. Immediately I see the golden mound of pancakes on the counter. My mother tells me to dig in, so I grab two soft and fluffy circular discs and slop them on my plate. I pour on the thick sweet syrup, grab my fork and knife, and plop a piece in the mouth. The taste is absolutely phenomenal. The combination of butter, syrup, and rich pancake overtook my mouth, and I am in complete bliss. really love pancakes. It's a very, very good paragraph. Okay. But there are a few mistakes that are minor, but that are very serious mistakes. At first, grammatical mistake is running through this paragraph. You are starting. Okay, now you are telling a story of past. आप सुबह की एक बात बताना चाह रहे हैं कि आप इस मॉर्निंग उठी. ठीक है. आई वोक अप. आपके टेंसेस होने चाहिए इन पास्ट. ठीक है. So wherever you are using the first tense, I wake up should be I woke up. And smell or and smell मतलब आपने सुन आपको smell आई थी. ठीक है. So like I make my way, I made my way. ठीक है. So wherever you are using these first tenses, you have to correct them. This mistake is running through your overall paragraph, and okay, details are there. You are connecting it. Okay, it's okay. So now Ariba, stop sharing, and I would like to